'Tis the season for a blizzard of savings on all your outdoor gifts at Joe's Sporting Goods. Doors open 7 a.m. Friday with amazing deals all weekend long through Sunday. Get the best prices of the season on skis, snowboards, hunting and camping gear, clothing, footwear, fishing gear, and so much more. Quantities are limited, so get here early for the best selection. It's a blizzard of savings Friday through Sunday at Joe's Sporting Goods, your outdoor experts, just off Highway 36 and Rice Street in St. Paul.